Innovation is the cornerstone of success in America. In order to compete in the global marketplace, businesses and individuals are continuously striving to stay ahead of the game. I'm Terry Bradshaw. From emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. It's estimated that in the U.S., the construction and demolition industry handles 170 million tons of debris every year, about 3.2 pounds per person. The industry has long worked towards reducing the amount of materials that get sent to the landfill, but has recently begun focusing its efforts on recycling the materials that are already there.
Dem-Con was founded in 1985, and Mark Paul, my business partner, and I bought the company in 2001, and we wanted to change the dynamic of the company to not only be a landfill company, but to also be a recycling company. So it's our focus to be an industry leader in the construction and demolition recycling market in the Twin Cities.
Jason House is CEO of Dem-Con Companies, a construction and demolition waste handling company actively involved in local and national recycling efforts. He's worked with end markets to find a valuable use for the oil contained in the shingles that were once buried in the landfill, such as hot mix asphalt for road, driveways, parking lots, and trails.
Using recycled asphalt shingles and hot mix reduces the need for virgin materials like asphalt, cement, and aggregate that have to be extracted, refined, mined, hauled, and such. Those processes utilize significant amounts of natural resources. We use engineering principles then to formulate blends with the recycled shingle product to make asphalt mixes that are as good or better than those that don't have a material in it.
In the Twin Cities market in 2009, nearly all shingle material was destined for a landfill. Due to Dem-Con's innovation of incorporating discarded shingles into hot asphalt mixes, by 2010, nearly all of that material was recycled.
One of the early stage challenges with recycling shingles was selecting the right equipment that would suit our needs. We worked with equipment manufacturers such as Rotochopper and Wildcat, who were committed to working with us in our efforts for recycling shingles. And as our business expanded to a mobile grinding service, we continued to purchase equipment because it supplied us with durable, reliable equipment with low production costs.
In addition to recycling asphalt shingles, Dem-Con Companies also recovers ferrous and non-ferrous metals like steel, aluminum, copper, wire, and brass, as well as cardboard for paper mills and aggregates for concrete. The wood they recover has one of the more interesting reuses. The material can be ground, used for landscaping or for boiler fuel, and the ash can be then used as fertilizer or soil amendment. Currently, the company is researching local market uses for discarded gypsum drywall, which now composes the largest percent of material being landfilled.
The future of the construction and demolition materials industry is moving more from landfilling into recycling. Dem-Con's positioned ourselves well to be able to help out and be an industry leader in removing materials from the landfill process, making materials that can be used by a third-party user as an input for a new product, not having to use any virgin materials and virgin resources.
Concerns over material quality make developing new end markets a challenge, as companies can be skeptical about the ability to clean products sufficiently enough to be reused. Companies like Dem-Con, however, have proven that with time, education, and training, this can be done.
Dem-Con has been successful in recycling construction and demolition materials because of our commitment to recycling. We're removing material from the landfill, being more focused on recycling. We've made significant investments in a shingle operation. We're the first in our region to, on a large-scale operation, make the investment, remove the materials from the landfill, and make a usable product for the hot mix asphalt industry.